Anti-France protests have been raging across many parts of the world and here in India as well. After Bhopal and Mumbai, now protests have also broken out in Gujarat's Vadodara as well as in Hyderabad. Posters calling for the boycott of France and President Macron have been put up in the city. Meanwhile, Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has slammed the protesters. Take a look at these pictures coming in from protests across the country. These are protesters who have a problem with President Macron, who claim that Islamists will not have control of France's future. This comes just days after a brutal terrorist beheading of a person in the French city of Nice.
No, where are they?
के जज्बे को इसलिए दारा सलाम करते हैं हमें वो दिन भी याद है जब मुल्क के हिंदुस्तान के अंदर एक नफरत फैलाने और काटने वाला कानून लाने का ऐलान हुआ तो हमसे ज्यादा तादाद में हमारी बहनों ने हिस्सेदारी निभाई। फ्रांस का राष्ट्रपति एक सरबराह राष्ट्रपति जो
Okay, joining me live now, the BJP's RP Singh, Syed Asad Abbas, who's a political analyst, and Maulana Fayaz Ahmed Barkati, founder and president of the Asuna Islamic Foundation. Barkati Sahib, I want to come to you first. What is the problem that these protesters have with France and President Macron? What has President Macron said that has offended so many people that they are protesting? He has said Islamists will not control France's future. And he says this 2 days after a brutal beheading in the city of Nice. What has the French president said that has angered people so much?
First of all, let me put my word.
Yes.
That there is no absolute freedom of speech anywhere. There must be a limit for to expressing your views. You are free to express your views, but you should take care that it shouldn't hurt the sentiments or feelings of any people. Any people, for that matter, whichever religion they may belong to, for the peace and harmony of the world, for a peaceful atmosphere in the world, it is necessary.
I want to know from you. I want to know what. Please give me a clear answer, Barkati Sahib. The president of France, a country in which people have been killed by radical Islamists in the last few days, has said radical Islamists will not control the future of France. What is offensive about that to people who are protesting? What is offensive about that? He is talking about hardliners. He is talking about radicals. Are you equating normal Muslims with terrorists, sir?
Islam. There is no militant Islam. Islam is only one throughout the world. These words are framed and popularized by the...
Sir, that is not an answer to my question. That is not an answer to my question. The protesters who are out on the streets, and RP Singh, you will agree with me, the protesters out on the streets, sir, they should be welcoming. If the protesters, Barkati Sahib, with the greatest of respect, my submission, sir, my submission. RP Singh, this is not about, no sir, this is not about free speech. That is a separate debate. The issue of free speech is a separate debate. RP Singh, do you agree with me when I say that protests outside right now should be welcoming what President Macron has said? He has said radical Islamists will not control France's future. The protesters should be protesting against the beheading of those people. Why are they protesting against Macron, RP Singh?
First you finish, then I will speak.
Shiv, ask Barkati Sahab, which part of this Holy Quran tells you to behead the other person? You might have 10 differences, 10,000 differences. Which part of this Holy Quran tells you to behead other person? Which part of the Islam
but RP Singh, that is even beyond the point. The point is, I'm talking about the protests here. I am saying, what problem do they have with President Macron?
I'm coming to that. I'm coming to that, Shiv only. And also, man is not condemning Islam. Neither is talking about Quran. Neither is talking about Muslims as such. He's condemning terrorism. He's condemning the act of terror. And they have problem on someone says that act of terror is bad. It is horrendous.
Yeah.
So he has only condemned the act of terrorism.
Correct.
Why you are raising up your flag against a person who's saying, don't follow the path of terrorism,
correct,
and we'll fight terrorism, we'll fight radicalization,
Barkati Saab, let me tell you something. By protesting against, by calling President Macron an Islamophobe for saying that radical Islamists will not control France's future, I don't think you realize it, Barkati Saab. I don't think you realize it. I don't think you realize it. You have basically equated Muslims with terrorists, which is a disservice to Muslims.
It is the state-sponsored terrorism by the president.
But Barkati Saab, you have done a disservice to Muslims, sir. Every one of the protesters who's out on the road is doing a disservice to Muslims.
Of reprinting and republishing the same cartoon.
That is a different issue. I am talking about the beheading. Sir, Charlie Hebdo has cases against them by 13 Catholic organizations as well. It's not only against Islamist organizations. They have the church around their necks also. I am simply saying the protests on the street right now, if there are any protests to be done, they should be against the beheading. They should not be against President Macron, because by saying that he is against Islamists and you're protesting against him, you're basically saying that all Muslims are extremists.
Religious personality, it may be those religious personalities who are held in high esteem and honor, showing disrespect to them.
Accepted.
In my view, you've done a disservice to Muslims, sir.
No, accepted. 100% granted. No, 100% granted that you should not show disrespect to other religion or other religious head also. I'm accepting it. But who allows you to take law in your hand? And that thought of radicalization is bad. That thought of taking law into hand and radicalizing youth to do that is bad. And that's what Mr. Macron has condemned. He is saying that we won't allow France to go on path of radical Islam.
No,
what's wrong in it?
Barkati Saab, you can't use whataboutery in this issue. People have been beheaded. You can't ignore the beheading, the act of beheading, and then start talking about the free speech issue. The free speech issue is a completely separate debate, sir.
Those who have committed the
they have done right. We condemn those killings, but at the same time we condemn the act, the sponsoring.
You cannot condemn them in the same way. Are you saying that blasphemy is the same as murder, sir?
At the same time, those who have taken the law in their hand, those who have ambushed and killed those people.
I am shocked, sir. I am shocked. France is a country that has had free speech laws which have been the envy of the world, an organization. I am not saying that I agree with all of this. I believe in sensitivity as well, but this is an organization that is not that is equal opportunity offensive to all religions. Sir, I am asking you a simple question. They have been
expected from a person who is the head of one of the great countries of the world.
Has he said?
One of the great powers of the world.
Barkati Saab, has President Macron said Muslims will not dictate the future of France? Is that what he has said? He has said Islamists will not.
Punishing those people, those eliminates those people and those elements which are trying to break peace in France.
No. You're diverting now, sir. You're diverting now. You are justifying violence.
You don't care for other religion. I say that we need
Barkati Saab, you are justifying an act of murder, sir. With the greatest of respect, you are justifying an act of murder by equating what Charlie Hebdo does with beheading. I am sorry, that is very dangerous territory.
Justifying the act of murder which has been committed by those in the name of Islam.
Sir,
but at the same time, I condemn.
There is no same time. There is no same time. There is no same. Sir, I am Barkati Saab. I am sitting here and telling you, when you condemn a murder, there has to be a full stop at the end of that. There is no however, there is no at the same time, there is no meanwhile, there is no although. I'm sorry, if you condemn a murder, it has to end there.
Islamic religion is in crisis.
Sir, can you please give me examples? Can you please give me an example of how France is anti-Muslim? Where is France anti-Muslim?
Caricature cartoons of the Prophet. It is not allowed in Islam.
Sir, leaving aside sensitivities for a moment, just to placate you, I will tell you that this is a Charlie Hebdo is an organization that has made fun of all religions, including Hinduism. They've made fun of all religions, sir. You are wrong. You are ill-informed about this. Anyway, I want to bring in.
No.
I am on the
right foot. I am on the right path.
Sir,
I have taken the right stance.
No, you have taken the wrong stance. Let me tell you very categorically, you've taken the wrong stance. You are using whataboutery to justify killings in France. And you are using common people.
You are putting eyes to the...
Sir, you are insulting Muslims, let me tell you that. What you have said is an insult to Muslims.
Extremist views remain and they flourish and they are sponsored and they are patronized by the countries, the Western world, especially like what Mr. Macron is doing. We can't stop these kind of activities.
Barkati Saab, what you have done, you don't realize it, sir. You don't realize it. You don't realize it. It's a sad day. It's a sad day for India when you can't realize that condemning murder has to be an act by itself. It cannot be clubbed with anything else. Syed Asad Abbas is also with us live. He's a political analyst on this case. Syed, what do you make of this? Because I am completely perplexed by these protests, Syed. Because, you know, leave aside the Charlie Hebdo issue. Leave aside blasphemy. Leave aside insult to the Prophet and to every other religious body that Charlie Hebdo is indulged in. That is not even the debate. These people are protesting against President Macron. President Macron has said Islamists will not dictate the future of France, and protesters have a problem. Syed, what do you think?
I'll tell you precisely what the problem is, Chef. The problem here begins with that person who beheaded the teacher. Firstly, he's not read Islam. In accordance with Islam, you kill one human being, it is equal to killing the whole of mankind. Yep. Saving a life is equivalent to saving the mankind. Firstly. Second point here, well, French President Emmanuel Macron, being the head of the state of the country, he cannot justify and stand by the cartoons depicting the Prophet Muhammad in such manner.
Where has he done that?
Head of state,
where has he done that?
Allow me to complete, sir.
It's a country of rule of law, Syed. Please give me an example. No, I'm sorry. President Macron has not explicitly supported anything. France has free speech laws. Charlie Hebdo functioned under that.
Allow me. Being a head of the state, he cannot stand by calling it freedom of speech. He cannot stand by it.
Syed, let me fact check you.
When he calls Islamist separatism, due to the acts of those particular
Syed, my friend, you are ill-informed on this. President Macron has not stood by any cartoon. He has not said, I stand by this cartoon of Prophet Muhammad. He has never said that. He has never said that, Syed. You are wrong. You are ill-informed about that.
Allow me. The precise point where President Macron, allow me to complete the point, please. Allow me to complete my point. I've come in the
okay.
Allow me to complete.
Barkati Saab, let Syed finish. I'll come to you.
Allow me to complete. Barkati Saab, allow me to complete, please. You had your time. The simple point I'm trying to tell you here is that Macron, he has
not
categorically stated that Islam is in crisis today. Islam is separatism, radical terrorists, so on and so forth, with the act of few extremists labeling Islam religion and its followers.
He has not said that.
Is wrong.
He has not said
and
that.
Bringing about a French Islamist zone pattern is wrong.
Not at all. Not at all.
Therefore, there will be protests against a man who is an Islamophobe.
No.
Macron, with not only now, but previously, what he has stated.
This is complete nonsense.
Is an absolute Islamophobe.
You're talking
not just
absolute
now,
nonsense. You misquoted
when
Macron.
He has spoken against Islam,
he did not
when
say
he
anything.
Followers,
he
that
said
was wrong. And that is why the protest will take place.
Wrong. Macron never said that.
Ideology, all what the worldly religions say, you have to give respect and take respect. You have to honor their sentiments.
Barkati Saab and Syed, you've both fallen into a trap. You've both fallen into a trap of misinformation. President Macron has never said anything about Muslims. He has talked about radical Islamists, and you are equating radical Islamists with Islam. You are doing a disservice to Islam.
If I'm allowed to speak, please, without anybody hinging this. When he speaks that Islam is in crisis, what does he mean Islam is in crisis? How is Islam in crisis today?
No, I'm frankly very shocked.
Macron?
I'm frankly shocked because I thought Syed and Barkati Saab would have, would have a reasonable view about this. Honestly,
how is Islam in crisis today?
Nobody,
how
listen.
Is Islam in crisis?
Okay.
Justify the statement when you justify Macron. How is Islam in crisis?
Again, committed the same mistake. When it took such a great step, so many people were killed.
Barkati Saab. Barkati Saab. Barkati Saab, I'll tell you something. You are doing, Barkati Saab, you are doing everything in your power not to talk about the beheading. You are doing everything in your power not to talk about the beheading and to not use whataboutery while condemning it unequivocally without clubbing it with something else.
We condemn the beheading. We condemn the killing of.
But you have an appendix after that.
At the same time, we condemn, and I myself personally condemn.
Sorry. Your condemnation is null and void if you have an addendum to it, sir. Your condemnation is null and void.
Allow me.
I have to bring RP Singh in. Okay, yeah. Syed, quickly make your point. I'll bring RP Singh in then.
Okay, the quick point I make here is when President Macron of the country of France okays the Charlie Hebdo depiction of the Prophet in the name of freedom of speech is not okay.
Doesn't justify
Islamic
the killing.
Crisis all over the world is not okay. Macron needs to justify his statement. What does he mean Islam is in crisis across the world? Because of he is an absolute Islamophobe. Not now,
nonsense.
but during
nonsense,
his speeches time and again.
Complete nonsense.
Macron is a prime example of being an Islamophobe.
I want to ask you a question. I want to ask you a question then. Is Macron being called... Is Macron being called anti-Christian or anti-Hindu because Charlie Hebdo has done anti-Christian and anti-Hindu cartoons also?
No.
Is he being called anti-Catholic? Sir, Catholic organizations have gone to court against Charlie Hebdo.
He is an Islamophobe.
Respect and honor of Prophet Muhammad. Respect of every prophet.
I do not support offensive cartoons. I am simply saying that this is a country that has certain free speech laws that allows it. This is not a debate on whether France should or should not allow such cartoons. I am saying that you have allowed politics to cloud your judgment even though someone has been beheaded. It is shameful. RP Singh, I want to bring you in. Go ahead. RP Singh. It's shameful, sir.
Sir, it's really shameful, and the problem is that both...
Barkati Saab, listen to the other side now. Listen to the other side.
Both are learned people, but they are trying to behave like as if they don't know anything. I mean, they are being swayed, or they intended... Sir, Mr. Please, sir, I never interrupted you. Sir.
Let RP Singh speak, Syed. I'll come to you after that. He's been waiting patiently. Let him speak.
You need to protest when certain things are said in the garb of freedom of
No
speech.
protests for the beheading, only
That is,
protests for
we
Macron,
have the right
who
to
says
protest.
terrorists will not dictate France's future. Ridiculous. You are equating
Irrespectively,
Muslims with terrorists.
The head of
Ridiculous.
France, being a president, cannot call out
Let
Islam
RP finish.
is
Let
in
RP finish,
crisis.
Syed. Syed, he waited for you. Let him finish. Let him finish his point. I'll come to you.
Syed, I really admired you for your being positive and being a forward-looking Muslim. But I mean, today you let me down by spreading falsehood, by talking all nonsense, which is not true, which doesn't hold ground. The fact is, where is he saying anything against Islam? He's saying only talking about terrorism. And how can you accept any act of terror? I mean, how can you accept
Sir,
an act of beheading by anyone?
Macron before?
Sir,
I kindly
please,
request
can I,
you,
sir, can I, listen. Sir, I didn't.
Syed, let him finish. Let him finish. He waited for you.
Man is a prime example of being an Islamophobe.
No,
He
it's
has
not.
time
No, it's
and
not.
Had problems with Islam, of women wearing a scarf, a headscarf. This man,
Sir, you would be
So is the
surprised.
case. No. There was the issue of turban also. There was the issue of Sikh turban also there, sir. It's not only scarf. Then there's the issue of Sikh turban also. There's also issue of wearing clothes there also, sir. So why you upset about cherry picking?
This is not even about competitive outrage.
Sir, no. It's collective outrage. You're intendingly trying to build up outrage.
Okay.
I'm sure you are trying to build up outrage.
Syed, one second. Let RP finish his point. Then you can
rightful protest.
you can answer
What is the harm
substantively.
in
Let RP Singh finish his
protesting
point.
rightfully.
Let RP Singh finish his point, because I am still perplexed about how and what President Macron has said, RP Singh, that has offended so many people. If I was a protester on the ground right now and I had these Congress MLAs leading these protests, I would frankly be quite offended. I would like to go up to the leaders of these protests and say, Arey bhaiya, what are you protesting about? President Macron has condemned terror and radicalists and Islamists. What is wrong with that? Are you calling us Islamists? That's ridiculous, RP Singh.
Not okay.
See, they are trying to do disservice to Islam. They are trying to do disservice
Let
to
RP
Islam.
finish. Let RP finish. Let RP finish.
Please.
Let RP finish, Syed.
Sir, please don't behead me here. Let me at least complete my word.
No.
Don't do beheading on the stock show at least. Let me complete. Sir, they are not prepared to hear. They are not prepared to understand rational. And they are trying to spread falsehood. Now, right now, sir,
Barkati Saab, listen to the other side once, please.
There's an issue with the burqa, or there's an issue with the scarf. There's an issue with the turban also there, sir. There are problems. There is a different culture and there is a different meaning of secularism in France. And then if man talks about terrorism, you should accept it. Why are you trying to relate Islam and terrorism together? Why are you trying to do justification of act of terrorism? And then trying to pose it as if it is anti-Islam, anti-Islam?
I am shocked. I am shocked. Because...
Sir, you are exposing yourself. Both of you are exposing yourself.
You know,
Both of you are doing this service to Islam.
RP Singh, what you want to hide, I will expose that. The problem here is nothing. The fact that under the garb of freedom of speech, French president saying okay to Charlie Hebdo's those cartoons.
He has
depiction
never specifically supported any cartoon. It is rule of law that allows it in that country. It is rule of law that allows it in that country. Come on, Syed, you know better than that.
I'm sorry, you are misinformed.
He has never supported any specific cartoon. That is misinformation, Syed. You know it.
That is where we
He has not stood by Charlie Hebdo.
No, Syed, you are a learned man. I give you a challenge. Please show me one statement of Macron on where
Let me play out for you.
Any cartoon.
For everyone's benefit, Syed RP Singh Barkati Saab. Syed RP Singh Barkati Saab, for your benefit, let me play out for you what President Macron has said. Let's listen to the man himself, then we will take this forward. Let's listen to him.
Il y a dans cet islamisme radical, puisque c'est le cœur du sujet,
Radical Islamism is the center topic, so let's talk about it. There is a desire openly stated by a methodical organization which aims to break the rules of the French Republic and to create a parallel order with other values, nurturing a different organization for society.
Séparatiste dans un premier temps, mais dont le but final est de prendre le contrôle complet, celui-ci.
Please point out to me where the president has spoken about Charlie Hebdo and where he has spoken about Muslims. He has spoken about radicalists and he has spoken about Islamist hardliners. Where has he said, I support the Prophet Muhammad cartoon of Charlie Hebdo, I support Charlie Hebdo, or that I am against Muslims? Please quote for me. Give me specific, not rhetorical answer.
Okay, I will specifically tell you. You've conveniently played out a few seconds. I kindly request you to play out his complete
15-minute speech. I can't play a 15-minute speech, but I can guarantee you he does not support Charlie Hebdo.
Cartoons or the paintings, the depiction is in the freedom of speech.
That's the rule of law over there. What is
justified that in the name of freedom of speech, which is not okay.
He has never spoken about any specific cartoon. He has spoken about freedom of speech in that country, which is a reality. It has always been there. There is nothing new about it. This is not the first time that this is not the first time. This is not the first time that Charlie Hebdo has come out with cartoons of this kind, and they have against other religions as well.
He has justified the cartoon in the name of freedom of speech.
He has not justified any cartoon specifically.
He has the full speech, sir. I kindly request you with folded hands to play out the full speech, and he has justified saying under the freedom of speech. He cannot justify that.
I wanted to see how far you will go. I wanted to see how far you will go to divert from the beheading, Syed. This is shameful.
No, my friend.
This is shameful. No, you have made. I wanted Barkati Sahab and you at least for a moment to say that people being beheaded has to be condemned, full stop. But the protests on the ground have been made out to be insult to Muslims and Islamophobia, which is complete nonsense. France has been a country that has had freedom of law, complete freedom. It has never discriminated against Muslims. It's the last country that has discriminated against Muslims.
Macron being an Islamophobe is absolute nonsense. And time and again, he has labeled Islam as a terrorist religion in his speeches.
He has never done that. Come on.
Time and again, he has spoken ill of Muslims. Time and again, he has done that. He justifies the cartoons in the name of freedom of speech, and that is wrong.
Syed, you know, I'll after this show is over, I'll play out the full speech for you once again, and I guarantee you that he has not supported Charlie Hebdo. I guarantee you he has not. I guarantee you. Will a president of a country, Barkati Sahab, this is a country that has rule of law. Will the president of France not support the rule of law in his country? Will he spit on his laws? The freedom of speech in the country, in France, is something they take very seriously.
He has justified it, saying freedom of speech.
The both of you have chosen to condemn, the both of you have chosen to twist and condemn a president instead of condemning the killing of one of his citizens. That's what you have done. No, I'm sorry. Your priorities are very clear for everyone to see. Barkati Sahab and Syed, your priorities have been exposed today. I am very sorry. I am very sorry to say this because I respect you both. You have chosen to prioritize twisting the statements of a president of a country instead of unequivocally condemning the murder of one of his citizens by a radical Islamist. It's as simple as that. So has everyone on the roads protesting today.
On the hearts of the Muslims by saying that those who have
Sorry, sir. Sorry. Where are all these protesters when people are being beheaded? I am sorry. You have insulted ordinary Muslims today. You have equated ordinary Muslims today with Islamists, Barkati Sahab and Syed. You have taken ordinary Muslims today and told them that they are the same as extremists.
Well, in respect of you.
By saying what you're saying.
Portraying Prophet Muhammad in the wrong way, we will rightfully protest, and you have no right to stop us from
and you're justifying the murder of people then. And you're justifying the murder of people then.
It's not justified. Why are you putting words in our mouths? I'm sorry, don't do that.
Syed, you and I both know that this is not a debate about whether that cartoon was offensive or not. I may personally think that cartoon is offensive, but that's besides the point. Syed, let me tell you something. Syed and Barkati Sahab.
I will stand by
let me be completely honest with you. Barkati Barkati Saab, you will like what I say. Barkati Saab and Syed, listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to what I have to say. You will like what I'm going to say right now. Barkati Saab, listen to me. Barkati Saab, just hold your thoughts for a moment and listen to what I have to say. Just listen to what I have to say, Barkati Saab and Syed. I personally don't like these cartoons. I personally don't think such cartoons are okay. I personally don't think such cartoons are okay. But under rule of law has to apply. It can't be about the sentiments of people, sir. There is I agree. Freedom of speech cannot be about insulting people. But there is a rule of law. The response to it cannot be murder. And you're prioritizing murder over rule of law. That's what I'm saying.
Absolutely not.
Sir, murder. This is an issue of priorities, sir. People are out of the streets protesting against France, saying boycott France. I am saying those people, every person out there on the streets, RP Singh, is making a choice right now. They are making a choice by protesting against the twisted words of a president instead of protesting against the murder, if they should at all. They have every right to protest. I am questioning their priorities.
It was very clear. There's a falsehood being spread. These two are hate mongers who are sitting in your studio. They are trying to intentionally spread hate against a nation, against the president.
No, I know they're not hate mongers. That's why I'm surprised.
Without any ground.
No, Syed and Barkati Saab are not hate mongers, but they have lost their way in this issue.
They have condemned person who have done the beheading. They have not condemned the beheading even once. They are putting Reddit to beheading. They are saying it's a cause and effect theory. They are trying to give a cause and effect theory. Sir, please, don't do this. You are doing great disservice to Islam. I'm repeating it. If you are a true Muslim, true follower of Islam, you are doing a disservice to Islam by doing so.
It's your favorite pastime.
I just wonder. I mean, I haven't even had the time to go into the hypocrisies of the condemnation of Prophet Muhammad cartoons in another country and what the president of France has said, because that would make this show about 5 hours long. But
very dangerous for international peace and harmony.
It
is very dangerous. You have to check your ways. You have to reform yourself. You have to make your ways.
Let me say, I'm out of time. Gentlemen, I'm completely out of time and I wish you wouldn't speak over each other in this manner. Let me have the last word now. All peace-loving people in the country and the world should be welcoming President Macron when he says that the future of France will not be dictated by Islamists. Not for a moment had he said that the future of France will not be dictated by Muslims. He said Islamists. And this comes 2 days after one of his citizens has been beheaded. Another was beheaded just a couple of weeks before that. This is the president of France. No matter what you may say about France, the fact is it's dealing with terror on its soil. And the issue being made by these protesters is the twisted words of a president instead of the murder of at least 2 of his citizens. That's the bottom line of what's going on here, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much, RP Singh, Barkati Saab, Syed. Always a pleasure. I know things got heated up, but we respect each other. We can always talk about things here on 5 Live. Thanks for joining me.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.